Hello everyone, welcome to another SEO tutorial by Team Slidescope. In this part you will learn all about HTML anchor rel attributes, that is DoFollow, NoFollow, NoReferrer, NoOpener, and this is a complete guide to SEO security and link equity, where we'll talk about SEO, web security, link building, HTML best practices. Let's get started with that. So first you have to understand what is link juice, and before that, whenever there is a link on a website, when you click a link on a website, its HTML is basically this: a href is equal to something, then this anchor tag is closed, and here you write something like click here, and this will take you to some URL, https. Now this is a very simple HTML tag, it's an anchor tag. If you are using WordPress, if you are using any other platform, so any other CMS, you don't see this tag written, but in the background this tag is there, this HTML tag is there. When someone clicks this link, if this link belongs to your own website, we call it internal link. And if this website is some other, or this website is owned by someone else, we call it outbound link. So this is important to understand. If it is your own page, so when you see a menu on a website, a menu will have something like this /about us. So this will be your home page. So home will be written, this will be your about us, so about is written. Whenever you are writing articles, there also you provide this particular tag. In articles you provide external links, internal links. So if you will go to this page, this particular Facebook page, here you will see that this link is pointing to slidescope.com. If you will right click and inspect this, you will see that it is written a class something, that is defined there, that is to define their class, etc., like for a styling of page and all, styling of button, etc. But here you can see a class is equal to this, and here you can see href is equal to this. This is href. This particular link, if you will actually open this link will translate into this particular website. So sometimes on a website they add these type of links. Whenever you will, so users will see slidescope is written, slidescope.com is written, but when you will actually click, you will actually see that particular link which I just showed you. Let's try to paste it here, this link. So it's like a page, which is between this link and the actual website. So these type of things are done by different businesses, and that is what we are trying to understand here. Now suppose we are editing an article on WordPress, okay, and we want to link something. So here you can see we are talking about tax formula. I don't have to worry about what we are talking about, but here you can see how Slidescope can help. So if you will see here, this link is created just created without writing any HTML code. So let's say the institute, here we want to provide the link. We will highlight this text, click here and type our link here, and this way when we will type our link, it will be applied. But when you will edit this link, you will see some advanced options like open in new tab, search engine should ignore this link, mark as no follow, this is a sponsored link, additional CSS classes if you want to apply. So if you will click here, this link will open in new tab. If you will not, then this link will open on the same tab. These are different types. So this anchor tag is very important here. So that's what we are trying to understand. Now before we go into this, go deep into this lesson, first you have to understand what is link juice or link equity. Link juice, also called link equity, is SEO value and authority that passes from one page to another through hyperlinks. You saw when we clicked on Facebook page of Slidescope, it went to our website, but it went through some other page. Sometimes when you will click on a link, it will directly take you to your own page. Now, here is an application that we created. This is a school management system. In this school management system ERP, you can see it's hosted on this colorstick.net URL of ours. And here it is written in, obviously we have to change, it will change. So developed by Slideshow. If you will click here, you will directly come again to this website. So here when we clicked on the same tab, this tab was opened. Okay, so this is what is the meaning of, if you will open on the same tab or next tab. If we go back to this website, if we simply inspect it, so here you can see ahref is equal to Slideshow. No rel attribute, nothing is written. This is a do follow link. This particular link is a do follow link. Okay, when we give another link, backlink like this or whatever you call it, so whenever a link is given in this way, it is a do follow link. And here we are passing the entire authority of our website to this website. So link juice, which is also link equity, is the SEO value and authority that passes from one page to another through hyperlink. When a high authority site links to yours, let's say a site like Wikipedia links to your website, Wikipedia has a very high link authority. So it passes its own ranking power, helping your page rank higher in search results. That's why getting backlinks from very high authority, very popular websites is very important. And why will a website that is already ranking so high in search results do that? For that you have to create something really valuable, then they will do that. You see, people create startups. When their startups start doing well, then many other websites start writing about them. Many high authority websites start writing about them, and that's when their websites SEO becomes better and better. Now one thing that is does is authority transfer. Page rank flows through links. A link from CNN to your blog passes a strong authority. In India, websites like NDTV or Times of India, there are many other high authority websites, news portals. If you will get a backlink from them, this will help you very well. Then diluted by quantity. If a page links to 100 sites, let's say there is a page, it links to 100 sites, each gets 1 by hundredths of the juice. Fewer links is more value for each. So what people do is they try to create backlinks from many social bookmarking websites, but if millions of users are doing that, you know that authority will be divided. So if you are linking from a website, if you are getting backlinks from a website that links very few people, then that is the best thing that you can do. Now this is controlled by rel. The rel attribute lets you tell Google whether to pass juice or block it. Let's say we are now Slidescope and we are putting link of another website. So ahref is equal to https colorstech.net. We are linking this website on our own. So here we will write something like for data analysis tutorials. We'll write something like this. Click for data analysis tutorial. So this will become your link text. And when we will apply a hyperlink in this way, so this is do follow. But if we write rel is equal to no follow, this means we are not. So if the home page is of this website, let's say on which we are providing this link is Slidescope. So Slidescope is providing its link juice, whatever authority it has built over the years. It is providing its link juice to this particular domain if they write like this. But if they write like this, no follow. So what they are doing is they are telling Google whether they are like whether they are passing their juice or block it entirely. So they are not telling Google, and we'll see more about them. So now there are 4 rel attribute values: do follow, no follow, no referrer, no opener. Do follow is not written anywhere as a rel, like you don't write rel equal to do follow. You don't do that. If you have not written rel attribute at all, that is do follow, right? So you have to understand this. If do follow is default, there is no rel needed. Link juice is passed. Security, it has nothing to do with security. It is best for your own internal link. Let's say whenever you are writing an article, you have to, that is what you just saw. When we are writing an article and we have to provide link to a contact us page, we will, that is our own internal page, and that is where we will not write any rel attribute. So internal links or your trusted partners, let's say you have 2 or 3 different startups, you will do that. Or for editorial citations, you will do that. Next is no follow, where you write rel is equal to no follow. Link juice is blocked. It is best for paid ads, sponsor post, untrusted or user generated links. Let's say you have given some user an account on your website as an author, and you don't know what type of links will they provide. So that is important, that those type of links get blocked, like you are not passing your authority, because let's say the link that they are providing are spammy links or they have viruses, so that will also hurt your website, that you are suggesting a spammy website to another user. So this is important. Then there is no referrer. Here link juice is blocked and it hides referrer. Like whenever someone will click on your website, click on the link that is given on your website, in their website they can fetch one information, that who is the referrer, and this information is also shown in Google Analytics. If you will open Google Analytics, you can see in Google Analytics how many people are coming to this particular website. This is last 28 days from organic search. Organic search 1200 users came. Direct 744 organic. Here is the important thing from referral. So our website's link is in many other websites, and from there 29 people came. So this is referral. And if you will drill down deep, you will also get to know the name of those websites from other users are coming. So this is important to understand this no referrer tag. If those people will apply no referrer tag, we will not get information of who that referrer was. Suppose we put a link, put our link on some website xyz.com. So if someone will click on xyz.com, they will come to our website. But if they will apply no referrer, we will not be able to get this information from which website users are coming. And it is best for your sensitive pages where it applies no opener automatically. Now what is no opener? Here link juice is passed, but it's for security. It blocks tab hijack. It is best for all target is equal to blank link, and it is a security best practice. So target is equal to blank is obviously you want links to get opened in new tab. If you want to know more about no opener tag, obviously we will see that. So first we will understand do follow. You see, do follow is not actual HTML attribute. It is the default state of all links. When you write plain href with no rel attribute, here is the example. Google's crawler follow that link and passes link equity page rank to the destination also. It passes full page rank, helps destination page rank. Google counts these as editorial votes of confidence. The backbone of all link building strategies in this. When to use internal site navigation linking to trusted high quality sources, editorial mentions and citations, partner affiliate links you genuinely endorse. And important notes are you do not write rel equal to do follow, simply omit the rel attribute like you can see here. Then rel is equal to no follow. It blocks links juice. It is used for untrusted paid links. You just write rel is equal to no follow. It was introduced by Google in 2005. Rel is equal to no follow tells search engine crawlers do not follow this link and do not pass page rank. Google treats it as a hint, not absolute, since 2019 that it may still crawl the URL but won't pass equity. Its SEO impact is you block links, equity transfer does not affect the visual link or user experience. Google may still index the linked page, but it won't pass ranking power. When to use? When it's a paid or sponsored advertisement. It's a user generated content like comment, forum, links to unverified or low trust sources, or PR sculpting, which is an advanced strategy. Now Google's 2019 update, no follow became a hint, not a directive. Google may choose to follow and index the URL. For hard control, use sponsored or UGC variants alongside. Next is no referrer. It hides referrer header, employs no referrer plus no follow behavior. Write it like this: rel is equal to no referrer, target is equal to underscore blank, and here you write anything. So when user clicks a no referrer link, the browser does not send the referrer HTTP header to destination site. The destination sees the traffic as direct in analytics. As you saw in my analytics report, you will see it as direct, not referral. So it also automatically applies no opener behavior, closing the opener reference. Its SEO impact is it blocks link equity similar to no follow. Referral traffic from this link appears as direct in Google Analytics, making attribution harder for the receiving side. When to use it? Linking to internal admin or private pages, protecting your traffic sources from competitors, links in confidential or sensitive context, and combined with NoOpener for full security. What it includes: NoReferrer automatically employs NoOpener. You get both referrer hiding and tab hijacking protection with a single value. Most modern browsers support this fully. So now let's go to 7, that is NoOpener. This is a security guard, prevents to tab hijacking via window.opener. This is a technique. When target equal to blank opens a new tab, that tab can access window.opener, which is a reference back to your page. A malicious site could redirect your original page rel equal to NoOpener servers or serves that connection, preventing the new tab from accessing or manipulating the parent. So here you write rel is equal to NoOpener, target is equal to blank. It's a safely open URL. Its SEO impact is nothing, does not block link equity. NoOpener is purely a security attribute. Link juice still flows normally. You can combine it with NoFollow if both are needed. When to use: all links with target is equal to blank, any external link opening new tabs, social media share links. Best practice: always add when opening new windows. Modern browsers like Chrome 88 Plus applies NoOpener automatically for target is equal to blank links, but still add it manually for compatibility with other browsers. So now you can see when to use which here. You can take a screenshot of this. Internal site navigation, paid ad, user comment, etc. is there. Which type of website uses what. And here are some best practices that you can read from here, which I have repeated in this video. And this was our chapter. Thanks for watching it. For more technical SEO related content, please subscribe to our channel, follow SlideScope, like this video. See you in another SEO related, digital marketing related tutorial.